And now it's time to catch up with our Ninth Island Connection real estate expert, Randy Hatada of Expand Realty.
Let's talk about the obvious, renovations.
Is it obvious?
So what do we have going on here, and why is this important?
Well, you got a lot of construction going on. Remodels, renovations have kind of been the norm here in Las Vegas for the last 2-3 years, especially during the pandemic. And a lot of our homeowners have, I guess they understood that they had to spend more time at home, so they invested more into home base and did the things that they maybe procrastinated on or always wanted, knowing that they're going to be spending time there, maybe working remotely from home. And they've made their home their little Shangri-La during this time. So remodels have been probably at its prime during that time and hitting record numbers. In fact, general contractors have been backed up by many, many months doing remodels. We've also seen a lot of remodels, which we haven't seen in the past, where sellers would come in and remodel their average home or buy and remodel a home and then sell it for top dollar in the market.
The options for your next home on the Ninth Island are endless. Randy and the entire team at Expand Realty are there to assist you in finding the home that's right for you.